You've probably done it. You need to round off the sharp corner of a tabletop, so you scrounge for something, a can, a lid, a coin, that you can use to trace a curve that's reasonably close to what you need. Rockler's corner radius routing templates offer a quicker, more accurate, and more easily repeatable way of not just tracing, but also cutting precise curves on sharp corners. The set includes 3 durable templates that provide 12 different radii, along with a fence that offers excellent control when working at a router table with a bearing-guided flush trim bit. Using them is easy. Pick the radius you want to machine on the corner and snap the fence into place. Clips and posts on the fence allow quick alignment, and rubber strips on the bottom of the template help prevent shifting. Put the template on your workpiece and set the bit height so the bearing will run along the edge of the template. Make sure the posts and clips are tight against the edges of the workpiece, grip the finger hold, then route in the direction indicated on the fence, keeping the bearing against the edge of the template. You end up with a precise radius on your workpiece that requires only a little finish sanding. If you want to quickly, easily, and accurately shape curves on the corners of tabletops, countertops, and more, check out Rockler's Corner Radius Routing Templates.
Introducing a powerhouse from Rigid. The new brushless 18-volt trim router is the most powerful 18-volt compact router on the market. Brushless motor technology gives you more runtime, more power, and longer motor life. Cut the cord and still have corded power anywhere you need it. Trim up to 400 feet of laminate with just one 5-amp-hour battery. Soft Start technology gradually steps up speed to reduce gouges in your work and extend your motor life. Easy adjustments keep your work precise and clean. Use the variable speed dial to adjust from 17,000 to 25,000 RPM on the fly. And the micro adjust dial allows for quick router depth adjustments.
The Milescraft drill block. No more guessing if your drill is at a true 90-degree angle to your work surface. This handy guide system allows you to drill a straight hole every time. The drill block has an ergonomic design that is comfortable in any application. The unit also features non-slip TPE pads on both sides to prevent slipping and marring on the work surface. There are center lines on all 4 sides of the drill block that are lined up with each hole location to help you make sure you are positioned exactly centered on your mark. Using these as a guide, you will drill a perfect hole every time. The base of the drill block is made of a reinforced nylon and will not heat up in your hand while drilling through metal. The drill block has a solid base that allows it to be clamped for stability. The V-block channel on the underside provides versatility on many different drilling surfaces, from round to corner profiles. On the top of the bushing block, there are 6 holes for common drill bit sizes: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Each bushing is held to a tight tolerance and allows you to drill at a 90-degree angle to any surface. For drilling holes that are straight and true, be sure to check out the Milescraft.
The exclusive Infinity Tools Mini Mega Flush Trim Router bits are engineered specifically to be a perfect match to your variable speed compact or trim router and eliminate concerns of chip out and tear out that plague other flush trim and pattern router bits. With a 1/4-inch shank, these bits are perfect for use in all routers and router tables. Each Mini Mega Flush Trim bit features 4 brazed C4 carbide tips arranged in a compression geometry that produce a superior finish compared to other flush trimming router bits. All 3 of the Mini Mega Flush Trim router bits have top and bottom bearings, so you can use them for flush trimming and pattern routing work. Both bearings can be removed if needed for specific tasks, cleaning, or replacement. Having dual bearings means you can flip your workpiece over when pattern routing to reverse grain direction without removing and repositioning your template. Available individually or in a 3-piece money-saving package, the Mini Mega Flush Trim router bits come in 3 different sizes: 1/2 inch by 1 inch, 5/8 by 7/8 of an inch, and 5/8 by 1 3/8 of an inch tall. You can choose the size that best suits your specific routing needs, from trimming delicate veneers to pattern routing stock up to a full 1 3/8 of an inch thick.
Bessey's cabinet clamps for face frames give you the convenience of 3 tools in one. They work to draw the face frames together side to side, help to align the frames across the front face, and provide a steel guide bushing so you can pre-drill and screw your face frames together while they're still being held by the clamps. The clamp body and side jaw are cast steel for durability and strength. They feature legs on the back side to allow the pressure plate to align the face frames front to back. And the guide bushing snaps conveniently out of the way for driving the screw once the face frames have been pre-drilled. These clamps are simple and effective. Engage the legs of the side jaws against the back of the face frames, and tighten the side jaws, drawing the 2 cabinets together. Before final tightening, the center pressure plate is used to align the cabinets face to face. And this is the time to align the cabinets top to bottom as well. Once the cabinets are fully aligned, tighten the side jaws. The guide bushing is automatically in position for drilling the pilot holes. Then it snaps out of the way, leaving plenty of room to drive the screw.
Okay, this is our straight edge clamp. As I mentioned before, it's an easy way to put a straight edge onto a piece of wood to make a straight cut with your circular saw or your router. The way it works, back jaw slides, front jaw is fixed, that locks it tighter. To use it, you just set it against the fixed jaw, pull up the back until it clicks. Pull it up until it clicks, and then pull down on the lever. That locks it so you can make a straight cut. all of our clamps work the same way. We make them 12 inches to 12 feet. They all have this exact same clamp. Back jaw slides, front jaw is fixed. This side doesn't move.